What's up YouTube, Fuel Up 727, back at you with another video. Got the Ram in the garage. We're doing headers today. Get her done. So, we're going to take the old exhaust manifolds off. We're going to put the short tube headers on. I got short tubes because I didn't want to get rid of my cats. Didn't want to mess with any codes or emissions. So that's why I did that. I'm going to show you how to do it, what to do, how to do it. Pretty sure I already said that. So let's get to it. So I got some BBK short tube headers. They bolt right into place. Pretty much stock replacement. But for more horsepower, there's the flange. That's all their nice welding job, I guess. But I like it. I mean, it'll do the job. It'll get her done. So try not to tend it too much. So we're just gonna go right into it and get these bad boys installed, make some crazy horsepower. Bald eagles flying over. Alright, so pretty much what we're starting with is the driver's side exhaust manifold. We are taking off the heat shields so we can get to the rest of the bolts. And then after that, we'll disconnect it from the catalytic converter, drop a nut, and then we'll be on our merry way. Alright guys, so got the headers installed, got it all sealed up, nice and tight. Out taking it for a drive. As you can tell, it's rainy. Didn't get done till, oh shoot, like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock last night, so pretty tired. Didn't record much of anything after that. But it was a pretty good install. Just a lot of manipulating of the heat shields and the oil dipstick tube. Really, for the BBK shorty headers, you really just gotta try and like shove them in there. Be gentle with it still, if that makes any sense. The bolts were the hardest part, trying to get those bolts to freaking start, because the runner tubes, they're like so close to the block. It's like, okay, come on, why? I mean, why does it have to be that close? So that was a pain in the butt trying to get those bolts in. There's the camera there. But it was a headache, but they're on. The truck sounds like more aggressive. So this is with the headers, no cutouts. A little more, I guess, chopped. And then let me open them up. This is the headers with the cutouts open. Doesn't sound too bad. Alright, that's it for this video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you like it, if you thought it was helpful for you guys doing a header install on your trucks. Make sure to keep watching.